welcome to Hemmings Garage. I've been following along in the comments of our IROC, and I have to say the hate for the IROC sticker is amazing. It's just a sticker. It's only correct to do a little nod. The IROC sticker, however, is the least of our concerns. We have plenty of little trinket things that we need to do to this car. Like any project, it's a project. It's never done. First on our list, seat backs don't lock. They need some help. As far as the shifter, trust us. We're well aware of the shifter being too tall. We're going to get a nice short throw. We'll set that in there. We'll be good to go. Our fuel pump is tired. We believe it's the original. Nobody wants to drop a fuel tank, neither do I, but it's coming. Hood release spring. You need two people to open the hood. Pop the hood. I need your help because there's no spring, and thankfully. That one's going to get fixed very quick. The other thing was, and I was really surprised at how many of you guys noticed this, the factory tack is not working. So relax, guys. The wire for the tack is still here. But like any project car, it's a project. It's ongoing. So we're going to address that. What else do we have to do on this? There is quite a little laundry list. But the biggest one is probably the transmission. Because we went with the internal throwout bearing on this, you need to have a specific measurement between your throwout bearing and your pressure plate. When we assembled this on the ground, we thought we had it. Once we bled the system and had everything up and in the car, we had a little contact, so that wasn't going to work. So we spaced the Tremec transmission away from the bell housing just with 4 washers on the mounting bolts. That was temporary. That worked great for production. That's not going to work long term. So like any project, nothing goes perfectly. So what we're going to do is get some specific thickness of steel. We'll either get a file or produce a file, and we'll get that cut out on a friend's plasma table, so we'll get that set perfect, and then we'll be good to go. Thank you all for the comments. Don't worry, we haven't forgot about the IROC. We'll be coming back and finishing the project. Thanks for watching.